During Friday, severe thunderstorm outbreak is developing. Please subscribe this channel for Australia and New Zealand weather. If you plan to travel on this day, please pay attention to the weather and warnings. Every so often, autumn can throw in some nasty storm setups, and this Friday could be one of them, with the Pacific Ocean marching firmly towards an El Nino and the weakening of the extended positive SAM phase in the Southern Ocean. We're seeing a much stronger westerly influence move through, which means more fronts and upper systems. The current system we're watching is located south of Western Australia, but this system is expected to track eastwards over the coming days to lie across southern NSW on Friday, with a trough system that will pull down warm and humid air from Queensland southwards. There is a lot to talk about, so I'll try and keep it brief. Note that all of this does depend on any morning cloud cover and storm activity that develops. Australia often experiences elevated storm activity ahead of large systems like this, and it can significantly diminish storm potential. We should consider this a blessing in these types of setups, because if this didn't happen, a lot of our storm setups could potentially be a lot more destructive for southeast Queensland and northeast NSW, in particular, Darling Downs, northwest slopes plains and northern tablelands. This is probably the traditional pick where we'll see the best mix of instability and strong wind shear occur. Some of the soundings show the potential for some very nasty storm activity, with a few high precipitation supercells likely. In the worst case scenario, we could see locally destructive winds and giant hail occur. For areas further east, southeast coast, northern rivers and mid-north coast, the outlook is a little uncertain, but I suspect some light rain and thunder may eventually develop ahead of the main band of storms.